Hi everyone, thank you for joining me on this journey. It's here, finally, after 2 years, I got my Tomorrowland bracelet and I cannot wait to share this moment with you guys. I will be going for the first time to Tomorrowland on the weekend too, on the 22nd, 23rd and 24th of July. I received my parcel on the 5th of July, so that gives me enough time to activate my bracelet and add some peers. Peers is the currency of Tomorrowland, where you could buy some food and drinks. All of that I will be showing you later on after we open the box and see what's inside. So for those that haven't received their bracelet, you could put your order number on bpost and check where your bracelet is. And if you cannot find the bracelet, do not worry, you will just get your bracelet at the festival. I know it's stressful, I've been waiting for this moment for 2 years, so I know how it feels. And I hope guys we see you at Tomorrowland. So let's open this box and see what's inside. And this is guys the box of Tomorrowland for the 2022. You get also a leaflet which says about the bracelet and your peers. But let's open this beautiful box. Look how amazing it is. The art, the details. Let's see what's inside. Wow. It's a compass. Stunning. Look at this. It says the reflection of love, which is the theme of Tomorrowland 2022. You also get some amazing quotes here. It says, make a new friend, speak from your heart, close your eyes and listen. Look at the details. That's amazing. That's why Tomorrowland is one of the best festivals in the world. They put effort in the details, guys. But where is the bracelet? It should be here. What is this? Oh, here is a bracelet. We got another leaflet. It says here again about activating the bracelet. Really cool. Oh, and here now you can use this outside the sun. So if we align the arrow with the heart inside the compass and observe the shadow falls, it will give us a message from the sun. We should try that, but it's night now, so I cannot try. So here is the bracelet, guys, of Tomorrowland, which I can't believe I'm finally holding a Tomorrowland bracelet. So inside there is some unique numbers that I cannot show you, and also you got the 4 code digit which you need to put it to activate your bracelet. So it's inside here, guys. That's really cool. Let's put it this way. So now that we've done the unboxing, let's go to the laptop and show you how to activate the bracelet. Open the Tomorrowland page using a laptop or your phone app. Scroll down, choose your correct weekend. In my case it's weekend 2. Here you will see your unique number of your bracelet, and then you will scroll down and press activate, and here you will put the 4-digit code that is on the back of the bracelet. And after you've done it, you press accept and link your bracelet to your name. So after receiving the email and activating your bracelet, here you have the option to manage and add some peers. So before we do that, let's read some information regarding what are peers. Peers are the way of the currency of Tomorrowland, and Dream Valley, which is the only way to pay for food, drinks, and most other items of Tomorrowland and Dream Valley. So you can add some peers while you are at the event, but that will waste some time. So by doing it early, and I mean before the festival, for me it's the weekend too, so I think it's 1 week before, you get some extra peers, and that will give you some extra drinks. So here it says 200 euros will give you 4 bonus peers, and I think I will be going with 300 euros, which will give me some 6 bonus peers. And some more information, and whatever you don't spend, you can request a refund, which says is valid from 2 of August until 15. After that, you will not be able to get your money, and also you will get charged 2 peers per transaction. So let's move on and add some peers. Go to manage bracelet, go to add peers, check the currency and conversions. I will be going with 400 euros as I will be doing tattoos. Here it's the summary and the bonus. Checkout, payment accepted. Now that is successful, we receive our bonus peers, and that's basically it. Now let's go to the add-on sale. Choose your weekend again. Here are some restaurants that you could book in advance, but usually it's sold out. But I'm not interested in restaurants. Here are the prices. I will be going for lockers for 3 days while I will be at the event. So let's go lockers Tomorrowland. You can do for 1 day if you wish, but I'm going for 3 days. It's only 20 euros for a medium size, and I will be showing you later on the vlogs the size and more information about it. So go again with the steps, read and agree of the rules, pay, and then download your ticket. You can show the barcode there where they will give you your code and your locker number. And this is the end, guys, of the unboxing video and some information regarding your Tomorrowland bracelet and lockers. Stay tuned for the upcoming vlogs of the festival. Have a wonderful day and enjoy.